flumping has begun.
Maxie, you don't know, but we used to go flumping when you were a tiny baby. What a fantastic snow angel!
You're doing a really good job, Maxie.
Let's see! Oh, it's perfect! Wow, dude! What do you think? Want to do another one? You want to make an igloo? Okay. Do you know how to do it? I don't know. That's a good start. You're making lots of footprints.
Come here for a sec, buddy.